Yeah.
Beautiful.
Isn't it?
Yes. It's awesome.
Nick, have you hitched that boulder before?
Yeah, same boulder I've been hitching for 15, 20 years. It's not going anywhere.
Dad. Dad.
But
Is that double blade? Is that no? Like that?
yeah, that's it.
Well, it doesn't look.
I'm in control now. It's kind of dark.
You touch it where it's dark.
Yeah?
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Maybe a little bit.
Look at people swimming.
Oh, way out there. Can't do
Yeah,
that.
you can do that.
Wow, it's already recorded, right?